Hello, parents of awesome and amazing learners. My name is Randall Jackson, and there is a 5 out of 6% chance that I teach your student. Over the last couple of weeks, we have been exploring the ancient civilizations of our world. So we've been taking a look at civilizations such as ancient Mesopotamia, China, Egypt, and India, looking at elements of civilization such as geography and social structures and government. We have been having a blast, taking a look at these details, reflecting on how our world has been shaped by the history that came before us. Listen, if you ever have any concerns about your student, whether that be if they're learning, if they're cooperating in class, if they're submitting work, feel free to message me, email me at any time. I am always by my phone and I will always be checking my email. I have a thing for cluttering emails. So if you ever send me an email, just know I'm going to get right back with you. If you ever have any concerns, feel free to contact me or any other teacher on the 6th grade team. We are open, we are willing, and we are going to be more than happy to meet your needs. Thank you.